So what we got? We got K&N. So the video that I had of the before, the cold air intake before we put it on, what it sounded like. I lost the video. I can't find it. I'm sorry, but at the end of the video, you'll see what it sounds like after. My bad. As you can see, still got the stock air box on there, which doesn't let you hear that. You can hear it just barely if you're trying to listen for it, but it ain't. This right here should open it up a lot. So I'll have a before and after on here and show you how we insulate this, or install it, sorry. Should be pretty fairly simple. Right, all right, so let's see what we got in the box. We have an air filter, probably. Yep, big one. Cool.
Big air breather.
And some stickers. We like stickers. That's the little authenticity deal that goes on there. Say it's a true K&N.
Weather stripping.
Weather stripping for the airbox. Is the airbox in here? Yeah,
yep.
It is. That is Manus Air. And we got the boots.
Boots, clamps and hardware.
Clamps and hardware. How much did you say you paid for this?
Right at 300.
$300. Definitely gonna let her breathe.
Here's the box.
Nice.
That's solid too.
Yeah, it's real solid. That's all in the box. Now what we're gonna do, take that off, take that off, take that off. And we'll probably put the box in there first. We need a flathead. For sure. And we're going to keep all that, keep the factory parts, put them up, keep them nice. You see, you just put a K&N in there, but probably made a little bit of difference, but with that box reflector, it's restricting a lot of airflow going through there, especially for the sound. This thing's going to sound way different. So it looks like
The machine's just over here. That's just one.
it looks like you got one under here too. No, that's probably a. Yeah, it's probably just that one. What size are you using? I think that's a little bigger than a 10, dude. Probably like a 12. You got
somewhere.
What's this right here?
Of course it's a 10 millimeter. Oh, is that 10?
It's 7/16.
always the ones that run away.
Let's find the 10. All right, found the 10
So
millimeter.
sorry after taking this long. I should have known it was 10 millimeter. I was wrong, but it'll get to it. Just bear with me.
Probably should have read the instructions.
Nah, we don't need instructions. Sure, we'll figure it out.
I think they could have used a long
Still got this one here. Try unhooking it from right here. See, is there another one over there? No, look, you got right here too. I don't think that's a bolt though. There you go. Boom. Just gotta get rough with it a little bit. With the old and with the new.
Which means this is going to go.
Well, it's gonna come through this.
Yeah.
This one right here is for this.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, may have to.
Well, let's pull out the instructions. Okay, so our problem here is they don't make one for the 2010. They got one for a GT 500. Well, yeah, for a Roush. So this doesn't it doesn't really, it lines up right here though, so that's good. As you can see right here, there's no way
To mount it.
there's nowhere there to mount it. We're going to have to get a different boot to go from here to here. And right now what we're going to do is just put it in there and see if we can shut the hood, see if we're going to have the clearance or not. These two bolts line up on the bottom, so we're good there. I'm just scared about the clearance. Yeah, this should be alright. It comes down on the hood.
The problem we're going to have is that
We're about to see.
grommets are sitting in the holes.
Nope.
I mean, the intake tube should hold this in place.
What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead, because we're having trouble finding a way to mount this. So we're going to go ahead and hook everything up. Just so it'll kind of hold this box in there to see if we're going to have enough clearance before we decide what we're going to do.
I don't know if that's going to work or not.
Have to move it. Yeah. GT 500 to a normal Mustang Roush. You think they'd be the same? Obviously not.
Yeah, that's going to go there. I mean, worst
You got the
case-
deal, go ahead and put the clamp on. You know what I mean? That way it'll hold. We'll make it work. We just need to figure it out.
Make it work.
Yeah, sure. Okay, so what we've got, we had to switch the boots around. This boot really goes down on this side. But since the throttle body is smaller, it wouldn't work. So we're gonna switch these out on the old one, switch that out. And what we're gonna do, we're not gonna be able to use the box, which is right here. It doesn't fit. So if you buy it, don't even, I mean, unless you can
Fabricate.
something, a different one. This right here is going to go like that, and we're just going to leave it open, which it'll still work. It'll be fine. Plug there, boom. Mass air is going to go on the side. Still got to switch that out, and I'll show you what happens at the end. Remember, we got the boots reversed, and what we're really probably going to have to do is go get another boot for this, because the one we have is too big.
So as you
here
can
we
see
go.
here,
Finished
about
product.
to pop the hood. The
Awesome.
a lot of the parts
Good
didn't
stuff.
match up with the
I haven't
2010
seen it yet, but it's my
427R
first
because it had
time.
the Supercharger. The kit we bought was for a GT500, and
that
just
looks good.
all the tubing didn't match up. We had to go down to a plumbing store. We had to buy
We had to go
that
down,
right there, as you can see.
buy
This piece we
coupler
had to buy, and
plumbing
some more
store to make
clips,
it
and
work.
we just kind of had
but
to,
you can't even tell because that looks really
you know,
good.
find a way to put all this together. And it worked. It came out pretty good. It doesn't fit exactly perfect, but it definitely does the job.
It looks awesome.
Wow.
Finished product.
And the hood shuts perfect.
Wow.
Wow.
Solid.
Well, that's what I was
Just a
talking
little bit.
about. Because if we used a shorter coupler, because this one,
Yeah, but once you shut it and that hood comes down on this, it's stabilizing it.
well, yeah,
You know what I mean?
yeah. But I mean,
That'll work. That looks good, man.
that other coupler was only 2-inch, where this is a 4-inch.
Wow, that looks real good.
It would suck it up, and it would actually give it a little more room here too.
There you have it.
But that piece locked into place too.
Okay, now.
Maybe a cold start.
Cold start.
Yep.
Cold start with the new intake on it.
I'm wondering if it's
That was weird.
It's because I didn't disconnect the battery when I unplugged the back there.
Oh, so it's working itself back out.
It just sucked in a lot of air.
Yeah.
I didn't just set anything.
So right here, we're going to do the first. This is the first pull with the cold air intake on it, and it
First
sounds
pull.
pretty sick. You'll see.
Supercharged 427R. And this is going to be with the K&N cold air intake. Open it up so you can hear the supercharger. Let's see what it sounds like. Sounds awesome. Here's the inside.
This will be the first time from the inside.
Yes.
Yep.
That's sick. Sounds sick. So worth it.
Yep.
So now here's just some random pictures that we took that night. This is after we put it on. And this is at Lowe's parking lot. We stopped, took some pictures, and the rest of this video is pretty much us cruising around, doing some burnouts, and just enjoy. Some of the audio of us driving is pretty bad because the wind. So I need to get something for a microphone. But thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Enjoy the rest of the video. I'm trying the best I can, people. Thank you. Appreciate it. this here is we had a police officer come look at the car, and we had some other guys stopping. We were sitting there watching the car, and all kinds of people were stopping wanting to check it out. And as you can see here, the audio is really bad with the wind. So please, like I said, sorry, I'm trying the best I can. Thanks.
I'm glad all the cops are on that side of town. Yeah, I'll fly by on the interstate.
All right. Thanks for watching, y'all. Speed First Productions. Please subscribe. Have a good one.